Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Dhara Priyanshi. Ji. What is this BDT?
Good morning, madam.
Shaunak is BDT.
DDT Regaltos.
What is
What
it?
is-
नाम बदल दिया लॉकडाउन
How
में.
are you? Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
So, extended till 3rd May. Happy?
Yes,
No.
happy.
Shaunak is not happy. Anyway, you don't need a haircut. Why do you want the... You will have an excuse.
Yes.
For you, good. Huh? Shaunak?
Hmm.
Okay, so how is it going? Good?
Yes.
Not good.
Boring.
Yeah.
We can't meet our friends also.
I know that. Even I can't meet my friends.
Yes. Here only we can meet. See.
Yes. What to do? You're meeting now from 9 to 12 every day, or other teachers keep you on mute.
Sometimes mute. In English, though, we have to be mute only. Last 5 minutes only, he will give us time to talk and all. And Shuday ma'am was also there last time.
What to
We
do?
saw in the participants, Shuday ma'am was there. So, means we were quiet and all.
Okay, okay. So, did you understand the concepts last time? Exterm, interm, SOP
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
to PSOP, canonical SOP, and POS to canonical POS. Yes. Any doubt?
No.
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 Okay, after few days, when I
Ma'am,
will teach you enough concept, I'll give you some homework from the book only. I hope you have your book at home. Who kept it in school?
I.
Who's I?
Shaunak.
Normal. It's okay. They will send you soft copy. Don't worry. They will click the photo of the exercise and they'll send you, and you have to solve. Because I will ask
Okay.
the submission from Shaunak only first. Okay.
Yes.
Ishan, how are you?
fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Let's start. I will start from. You want me to revise something because every day I keep revising and I'm not teaching much.
No.
No, revising only.
No.
Not, waste time in
Junior बोलने
revising.
लगा
At
मेरा.
the end, I will revise once again everything if you want at 12. Okay. So let's start. Um, some students are yet to come, but not a problem. If they are very slow, I can't help it. Okay, so we were
Okay, ma'am.
POS to canonical POS. We have already changed, solved this. How do? We either multiply with A plus A bar, or in one form we add A dot A bar. You have to remember that. Okay, if you can't remember much, what you have to do is, here we are multiplying with B plus B bar. Okay, and in the next slide, we are doing plus BB bar. So that you will have to remember. The terms that are missing, we will add those terms. Okay, I don't think there should be any problem. You will solve some questions, then you will understand this concept better. Okay, now there are two more things. One is mean term designation and one is max term designation. I'll make you mute so that if you have any doubt, otherwise you all are quiet only. No need to make mute. Why to, you all are good. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We are sincere.
Oh, Bob. Here only, no, in class, so I know what condition you make. And that is also, I am sure, in my class. You are quiet. Yes. Now, what is mean term designation and what is max term designation? First of all, what is mean term? What is mean term? Mean term is the product.
Product of all
Okay.
literals.
So now, if I give you a mean term, I'm giving you a mean term, and you will have to tell me that at which place this mean term is. Suppose we have three variables, A, B, and C, and the mean term is A, B, C bar. Now, I hope you understand that for A, B, C, there can be 8 mean terms. A, B, C, A, B, C bar, A, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C, A bar, B, C bar, A, B, C, all the 8 combinations you should know. Now, what is their designation? It is very important because in K-map, that designation means the place at which we will have this mean term. So it is very, very important. There will be places. In a 2 variable K-map, there will be 4 places. In 3 variable K-maps, there will be 8 places. So you should know at which place. Suppose I'm giving you that A, B, C bar is 1 for this question. So you should know where is A, B, C bar. You cannot put 1 at some other place. That's why designation is important. How to calculate the designation, how to find out which designation it is. Let us see. Now for mean term, what is the normal form? The normal form is if it is A. See, there are 2 forms. For A, there will be A and A bar. A means 1. A means positive. Positive means current is flowing from A. So the value is 1. Then what is A bar? A bar is for 0.
0.
So wherever we have the variable in its complement form, we will put a 0 for that. And if we have the variable in its normal form, we will place 1 in that place. So for A, B, C bar, see here, it is given very clearly. A is positive, means normal form. So what we will replace it with? 1.
1.
B is also normal form, so 1. But C bar, so C bar is negative. Negative means 0.
0.
So the binary representation of A, B, C bar is 1, 1, 0. Now I have taught you, years back that 110 is 6 in decimal. You start from here. 1, 2, 4.
And 4.
So we have 4 and we have 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. We do not have any other number. 1 nahi hai apne paas. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So this designation is M6. Because it is mean term designation, we will use a small m for, displaying the designation M6, but M is small. Next example is A bar, B bar, C. Now A bar is 0. B bar means 0. B means 1. Now what is the decimal form of 001? It is 1.
1.
Designation it should be at M1.
M1.
So if I have 3 variables A, B, C, the designation will start from 0, M0, and it will go to M7. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry, I'll explain this again, but this is very important. Next is max term designation. What is max term designation? For showing this to you, that mean term designation in a better form, what I have done is, I will go to new share and a Word file that I have prepared for you all. Okay, for designation, I have made this. This will be a little easier to understand. A, B, 2 variables I have taken. I have not taken 3 to simplify the thing. For A, there are 2 options, 0, 0, 1, 1. I hope this is not a problem for anyone.
No.
Why am I writing 0, 0, 1, 1? No problem?
No.
Okay, there should be no problem. Otherwise, there is a big problem. Okay, so now, यहाँ पे देखो, A is 0, B is 0. So what is this? If A is 0, B is 0 means A is in the position of complement. So what is it? A bar.
A
Zero.
bar.
B is complement, so B bar.
Hmm.
Second is A is 0 but B is 1. So A bar B.
A bar B.
Mean term. This mean term represents this place. Next is 1 0. So 1 means A. So A kya hai? A is normal form. So A. 0 means complement. So it is B bar. Now here both are positive. Both are positive means both are in normal form. So A, B. So these are 4 mean terms. Now what is the designation then? The designation is 0 0 kya hai? 0. 0 1 is 1. 1 0 binary form is 2. 1 1 binary form is 3. So the
3.
place is M0 to M3. We do not have a M4 here because it is like index of array. From where index of array starts? It starts from 0.
0.
So 0 to 3. Did you understand? This is your min-term designation for 2 variables. If you want, I can easily make it a third variable min-term designation if you want, but I don't think that you need to have any problem with this. You can just simply write 0 0 0 0. Okay, here 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 and then convert it to this position. Wherever A is 0, B is 0 means 0 0. You want me to do it or this is okay?
No.
Okay, okay. Don't do.
Okay. So now the thing is that we do not have only mean terms that are important. We have max term also. Okay. So the difference between mean term and max term is the rules are ulta pulta. Here 0 means A bar, but for max term 0 means A. It is exactly opposite of this. So what I can do is if I want to write down the max term position, I'll make this table again. Now this is no more min term, this is max term, the designation. Okay, so here 0 0 means what?
A B. A plus B.
And B, but here there is no multiplication. This is max term. Max term is which term? It
A
is
plus
the
B.
sum term.
plus B.
So convert karo ulta pulta and put a plus sign. B ho jaye, B bar will be B plus
A bar.
and A will be A bar. B will be A bar plus B bar. Pura ulta. Now here it is no more small m. It is a capital M.
Hmm.
So these are your max terms. It is very, very simple and straightforward. Understand this. For mean term 0 0. 0 means A is negative, B is negative. Follow it. In between there is dot sign because mean term is a product term.
Product.
Here the rules are exactly opposite. 0 means positive, 0 means positive. And in
Positive
between
and 1
there is plus sign because it is a sum term.
Sum.
Designations are from 0 1 2 3. Here also 0 1 2 3, but here small m. So whenever small m is used, you have to understand that it is a mean term designation. Whenever it is capital M, you have to understand that it is a max term designation. Did you understand this?
Yes.
If you want, we can make this a 3 variable thing. Wait, I can make it for you. Don't get confused.
Madam, so in designation, we just have to convert to decimal number.
Yes. Let me make another table for you. For 3 variables, what are we going to do? Designation. Right. Okay, let me. I'm not able to insert a table. How come? Number of columns are 5, number of rows are 5, 7. Okay. Chalo. A, B, C. It will take a little more time because I'm typing. Actually, I'm not writing. So it will take a little more time. Not to worry. We have a lot of time. I hope you got the timetable for the whole week.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and recurring links also. So now you will not get every day, different links. Okay, so next table, next will be 0 0
0 0.
1.
One.
If you don't know this, then you are in trouble. Okay, Shaunak is thinking that what is she talking? I don't know.
0 1 0 1.
I hope Shaunak is awake. Bye, Shaunak. Okay, so now you will tell me the mean term. We'll start with Shaunak Bhai. Where is Shaunak Bhai? Present or absent? Mentally?
Here.
Bolo.
Yeah.
The mean term value of this place. Shaunak.
A bar, B bar, C bar.
Wow. क्या हुआ चमत्कार हो गया?
Ah.
He's right because he has his textbook in his hand. Come on.
No.
Okay.
कुछ नहीं है खाली.
Om will give the next answer. Om, my favorite Om.
A bar into B bar into C.
Wow, wow. Bhai, online teaching is very effective for you people, huh? Parjanya.
A bar, B, C bar.
Yeah. Jeet.
A bar B C.
Yeah. Jeel. Where is Jeel? So गए क्या?
A, B bar, C bar.
Yeah. So it is so easy to understand. I was not wrong. When I told you that it is so easy to understand, I was right.
A B C bar.
Yes, these are your mean terms. Now, tell me, what is 001? Binary to decimal.
1.
1.
Yes, 1. Bhai, 000.
0.
0 0 1.
0.
Next is M1,
1.
M2, M3. So
M2,
last position will be
3.
M7. We cannot
M7.
have M8 here because
M7.
it comes from 0. So these are your mean term designations. The very same way you can make your max term designation depending on the values. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is next? Now next thing is we will make a K-map. Very, very important thing for your exam. Okay. So today I'm going to start with a 2 variable K-map. Don't worry, this is not a very quick procedure. We will be not able to finish in one day. It will take me 2-3 days to explain how to make a K-map and then how to solve a question. Okay, but at least these things which are very important, I think you all are, thorough with it, so I have no problem. I have kept something ready for you here. It is K-map. Now, why do we need K-map? We have heard so much K-map, K-map, K-map. Why do we need? Let me tell you. Okay, this is my question. You all can answer, especially math students. I want to simplify this statement. Who will help me?
Iron.
And what if there are 7 to 8 or 10 more, terms here? I hope you know what is simplification. I want to find a very simple form of this expression. So what I can do is here.
We will convert it to binary.
I'm asking about.
We'll convert it to binary.
अरे A bar B common. A bar B bar common.
Here,
Let's take
A bar B bar
direct.
common hai. C plus C bar. C plus C bar is
1.
1.
C.
0.
1.
Check. You should know. This is very important.
Plus
Okay.
1.
So
1.
this is a simplification process, but it is very complicated. Just imagine you have 15 terms like this. So it will be very, very complicated. So we have a better solution. What is a better solution? The better solution is K-map. So what I will do, suppose these are 5 terms. Find out its designation. We will find out its designation. Suppose it is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. So at those places, I will place 1 in a K-map. We draw a K-map, we will put 1 in that place and then we will simplify with the help of K-map. So basically, to make a very difficult thing simple, in simple words, I can say that K-map is used to simplify an expression very easily. Your life will become very easy. So let us see how to do that. Now K-map can be of 3 types. You are going to learn 3 types of K-map. 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. 2 variable means there will be 2 propositions A, B, P, Q, X, Y. In 3 variables there will be 3. In 4 variables there will be 4 variables. In 2 variables, how many options you will get? 2 raised to 2, 4. Can you see these 4 boxes here?
Yes.
In 3 variable, how many boxes you will need? How many places will be there?
8.
8. In 4 variable, 2 raised to 4.
16.
16.
So the complication level will be high if you have a 4 variable K-map. And in final exam, they always ask a 4 variable K-map only. They have not asked, you know, a 2 or 3 variable exam question ever. Okay. So let us see how to form a K-map if there is a question. Okay. So for a 2 variable, and there are 2 types of K-maps. Please remember this, SOP and POS. For SOP, it will be different. For POS, it will be different. So here, I am forming a K-map. So first of all, I need 4 boxes. Now, because there are 2 variables, you know matrix? Who doesn't know matrix? Everyone knows. So what is the this place ka value kya hai? It is 0 here. See, I am writing it here.
0, 0.
This
0,
place
0.
is 0 and this place is 1. Column number it is.
Yes, yes.
And row number, this place is 0. I'm not able to write here because I will have to insert one more table. So I'm not writing, but here you just imagine a 0 here. And here it is 1.
1.
What is the position of this place? Here 0,
0, 0.
here 0,
0,
0, 0. Here 0, here 1. So 0, 1. You remember your double dimensional array?
Yes.
Here 1, here 0, here 1, here 1. You understand this? So this is their place. So what is the place of each box? This is 0 number place, 0 number. This is 1 number, this is 2 number, and this is 3 number. There are 4 boxes. The address starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3.
3.
0, 1, 2, 3. Now, what is the binary form of 0, 0, 0? What is the binary form of 1, 0, 1? Kahan se aaya? You already know. Row number and column number. What is 1, 0? 3, 1, 1. Now, convert this to a mean term. Come on. We have converted a mean term to its designation. So, we can do the opposite thing also. If it is 0 means this is SOP. So which form? Complement. SOP means mean term. Mean
Sum
term
of two.
means product term. Okay, so it is 0, 0. So it is A bar, B bar.
B bar.
What if it is 0, 1?
A bar,
A bar
B.
B.
A bar, B. What if it is 1, 0?
A B bar.
AB bar.
B bar.
What if both are positive?
AB.
AB.
Yes. So this is the designation and it is very important. So what you will do is you will have to draw this in the notebook and write all these important things. First of all, you will write a 0 here. You will write a 1 here. You can write in small and letters because you will have to write many things. Here it is 2. Here it is 3. Now you can write the binary form of this. Please write a 0 here, bahar. You know, like this 0, 1, here it should be vertically 0, 1. So then you can write down the in term. Okay, A bar, B bar, AB bar, A bar B, AB. This is given exactly like this in the book. If you want, I can tell you the page number also, so you can refer the text.
38.
Page number 38 has two variable K-map. Okay, now tell me if this is difficult to understand. I will stop share so you can tell me if there is something which you have not understood till now, because I don't want to record. Who did not understand? There are only 16 participants. So who is absent? Give me the name of absent.
Ayush.
Wait, I'll write down the name. Ayush Kalpadeto anyway is not coming. Then where is
Vani.
Vani has not come?
She
Then
came. She's here.
She came and
She is
went.
there. No, she is here.
Where I can't see.
Wait, sir.
Then Siddharth is not there.
है तो जो
Siddharth. Then
Bus.
where is
3 happened, no,
Rudra?
total 19 are there.
Rudra.
Not there.
Rudra came and went.
Came and went तो क्या garden थोड़ी है कि came and
Rudra
went?
came.
They don't know. They will get a SMS from school. That they have not attended the class.
She's here, present.
Who?
Who?
Present.
He's there.
Wait, sir.
Harsh is there.
Ella.
The Harsh name
Yeah.
I have not written. I have written 4 names.
Shaunak, see and tell.
Rudra,
I'm not
Ayush,
speaking.
Vani and Siddharth. I have written only 4 names. Don't worry.
Done, madam. 4 only.
Yes, done.
Okay. Before that only Ayush was absent. आज 4 लोग और हो गए. So they think that I will come to their place and I'll teach them SOP. Very good. Okay. Not a problem. Do you have any doubts? Otherwise, I will move with 3 variable and then 4 variable K-map. Okay. Because we have 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, and we have SOP POS, 2 type of K-maps we have. See, we have not started solving the question. We have learned how to make a K-map. Then we will take.
Rudra and Vani came.
Yes.
Wait, I will. do the
Connection
welcome
problem.
thing, no?
They will connection problem.
Sometimes you don't understand that actually connection is problem or they went on a morning walk. That's the problem. Mahabharata hai, Ramayana hai. What is going on?
Ramayana.
The ending part they are seeing. Hanuman is bringing that Parvat.
Yeah.
Okay, leave this Rudra Dhwani. They are very, having some problem, I think. But let us start with a POS again. Okay. Let me share the screen with you all.
यार.
What, Shaunak?
This Allah yaar, so he will never forget in his life.
अरे यार.
Allah
Mobile
yaar,
problem.
okay. So 2 variable POS. See. What we have done till now is 2 variable SOP. Don't get confused. SOP and POS are 2 opposite things. One is product term, one is sum term. One is
Together and out system.
so here, see POS 0 1. It remains same. Here also 0 1. You will have to imagine because I'm not able to write here. Okay. So now what will be this place? This place is 0 0. Why? 0 came from here, 0 came from here. Row number, column number. Row number, column number. Here 0, here 1. Here 1, here 0. Here 1, here 1. So it is 1 1. Now convert this to a max term. Why max term ho gaya yahan pe? It is max term because now this is POS form. So you will have to understand when to do SOP, when to do POS. I'll tell you how to identify it is SOP POS. Clearly mentioned through a symbol. SOPs we mention through a symbol of summation. You know summation symbol?
Yes.
Addition.
Sigma.
Yes. Sigma type. E type.
And POS is pi. It is very simple. Don't worry. Okay. Now convert this 0 0 to its max term. Come on.
A plus B.
A plus B.
Because it is POS, 0 is a normal form. It is not complement. There is
Yes.
a plus sign in between because this is max term. Plus sign rakhna hai. The meeting will end in 10 minutes. Let me tell you, we have last 10 minutes. Sometimes if it happens that I leave abruptly, please understand that maybe because first 2 days I started the meeting before time. So I was, meeting was over at 9:38. But today it will not happen. It will go on till 9:40 because now I'm starting the meeting at 10, sharp exact time. Nothing to worry. But what you can do is you can go through the textbook. And if you feel that I have not understood this, or if you feel that some topic was missed, was not taught or not discussed, you can just remind me. Okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Madam, can you solve a question?
We will.
Two
Very,
variable.
have some patience. We will. We will definitely. Purvam, you are saying we will solve many questions. Don't worry.
Yes, yes.
But this is a very long procedure. You will not be able to solve except I teach you a lot of basic things. So I'm going through that. After this also, we are not going to start solving because we will have to understand how to simplify a K-map. It is not. Okay. So POS means, did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
You
Yes.
want me to explain again or shall I go to the next topic?
Next
Go to the
topic.
next topic.
Next is 3 variable K-map. और कुछ नया नहीं. We are not doing anything new.
Oh.
Oh. Now I will ask a question.
Shaunak.
Not all no, Shaunak sir, you are the gone baby. Oh. Okay, now see what I have done here. See here, this is a 3 variable K-map. Now 3 variable, how to put it in a K-map? See here it was, see, this is A ka side tha ye, and this is B ka side. Okay, A is your rows and B was your column. Now how to do here? Here, row and column, there are two things. So this is, this side is B into C. If the variable names are A, B, C, this side, this, columns are B dot. Then what is this? This row. These two rows are A. Okay, actually what I should do is I should, make a line here, but I'm not able to do it here. I should make a line here and I should write that this axis represents B dot C. This represents A. So now tell me, what will be the value of A? 0 and 1?
And 1.
Yes.
Suppose this
Yeah.
is 0, this is 1. Here what it will be? It can be 0, 0. This 0, 0 means
Yeah.
what? B is 0, C is 0. 0, 1 means what? B
B
is
is
0, C is 1.
0, C is 1.
Here B and C both are 1 and here this is 1, 0. Now let me tell
B
you,
is
there is
1,
a
C is 0.
little twist here. कहानी में थोड़ा twist है.
हाँ.
The twist is the place value. Here the place is 0. This is 1. But here there is no 2. It is ulta pulta. 2 is here and 3 is here. 1, 2, 3, 2. Sorry. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The next line also. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Why? This reason I want you to tell me today. You will search at home that why we are not writing that straightforward 0, 1, 2, 3. Why we have changed the places. Every year I ask this question to my students. Some of them they answer, some of them like Shaunak, they don't search on internet. They are like, Madam, So you will give me the answer. That why this is not 0, 1, 2, 3, but 0, 1, 3, 2. Okay. So now what is
Madam,
the
I got the answer.
Yes.
what?
See.
Okay.
Madam, I got the answer.
converted to
You
Yes,
ask.
I
You ask.
answer.
Madam, you ask.
Let me stop share because how can you get the answer
Okay,
right
yeah.
now? Yes.
Yes, God.
Madam, you ask. You ask.
The question is that why it is not 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 3, 2.
How you ask someone?
Madam.
I know.
Madam, I know.
Then because
Who knows?
we are multiple.
Hi,
Yes,
hi,
I am
Aryan.
asking.
Question. Tell me, who knows?
I know, man.
Yes,
Aryan knows.
yes,
Aryan, we
Aryan.
know that you know everything.
But he is wrong. Yes, Aryan.
I tell.
Yes.
No.
See, if in the row side it is 0 and on the column side it is 1 1. So 0 1 1 will become 3 and 1 1 1 will become 7.
Okay.
Yes.
Am I right?
No, no, you are not right. See, I'll explain it. What is the question? You did not understand that. What I am trying to say is, can you see this?
I can try.
Yes, Shishesh.
Then it is maybe the decimal conversion of those numbers.
Then what I spoke?
Decimal conversion
use a different-
hai. Please
Aryan.
understand. But what I'm trying to say is that if I write 2 in the third position, then also I can write the binary conversion there.
It will be 3 na. There. 0 1 1. So 3. It will be.
You are not able to understand.
Then in column sign we are having only BC and in row side we are having A. So we are multiplying row into column. So we are getting.
Okay, see. What I am trying to
That is not the question.
I am trying to say is this 3, can't I write it here? And this 2, can't I bring it here? Then I will change this also.
Oh,
But then why? Why this is 3 2 and not 2 3? That is my question.
okay.
It is a rule.
What rule? Why rule? Who made the rule? Why did they make this rule only? I want to know.
They are multiplying the rows with columns. It is just the location 0 0 1.
So I can change easily, no? Then why didn't they confuse you? Why? There is a
By the
reason
rule that
that we'll see later.
rules.
We'll have to search. I'm not in a mood to tell you the reason, straightforward. But let us see. We have, 3 minutes, more than enough. So this 0 0 0, what will be the term here?
A bar,
A bar,
bar,
B bar, C
I
bar.
hope now you have no problem in converting a term to its position and all.
No.
And the 0 0 1 will be
A bar, B bar, C bar.
A B A bar B bar C.
A bar, B bar, C.
Then next.
A bar.
A bar BC.
A bar B.
C.
Then
A bar
B bar,
B
B,
C bar.
C bar.
C bar.
A, B bar, C bar. A, B, C. A, B bar.
A B bar C.
here also you can see the place value. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is the question. Why we are jumping?
Gray code.
Yes. Why?
Because they are using gray code simplification.
What is gray code?
I searched on net and they give me like it is a gray code.
Multitasking. Huh? What is gray code? I want to know, Shaunak.
Okay,
Search
I'll
in
search.
Google.
Okay, you can search. You are very near to the answer, but you will have to search a lot. Okay.
Madam,
Yes.
I can share a photo.
Yes. Who is that?
No.
Not
Parjanya.
Parjanya.
Meeting is left for
Whose
less
photo?
than 1 minute.
I can already see your DP. This trip wala photo.
Oh, team go.
Okay. Terms go 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. If you think binary well, you might have ordered terms in 0 0 da 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 sequence da da da. However, terms are not arranged. That's done deliberately to ensure that crossing each horizontal line. Okay. So did you get the
Only one
question in
variable.
advance?
We are advanced.
Ma'am, it is saying that the digits differ by 1.
See, I will
Yes.
explain
The
next time. I
location,
don't
the
think we have
matrix
time.
location
Huh?
distance.
Reflected code something.
Wait,
हाँ,
wait.
reflected
Check.
code.
Less than
Reflected
1 minute.
code.
Less than 1 minute. So next time I'll explain. You are giving me answer, but you are